Hello students, I am going to explain your chapter transformation of sentences of standard 9 today's date 17/10/2020. The form of a sentence can change without changing the meaning. Don't change the meaning. Okay, you use different form. It doesn't matter. The new is instead of to you put what? So. The news is too good to be true. It's not confirmed that the news is good, not so good. Okay, so good that is cannot be true. These mangoes are too cheap to be good. These mangoes are so cheap that they cannot be good. Mrs. Chip, so there is no any quality, may be possible. He throw football. Uh, he drove too fast for the police to catch. So police ran away behind that thief or any person. He described himself that he drove so fast that the police could not catch him. Means that the thief is run very fast, so that police not able to catch him. So here different meanings. The negation form shortly or tell by so. Here interchange of the degree of the comparison. Here degree use. First, positive degree. I am as strong as him. He is not stronger than me. Answer over. Positive. This sharpener is not as sharp as that one. That sharpener is not as sharp as that. Is this one. Sharpener as this one. Means comparison is there. Okay. So positive and then comparative degree. Use here. Positive. Few historians write as interesting as Joshi. Joshi's write more interestingly than most historians. Okay. Another page I share with you. Second number page. Active. The people will make him president. He will be made president by the people. So direct and positive, active and passive. Active and passive. Passive form means object come in the subject's place and subject come on the object's place. This is the formation of active and passive voice. The governor gave him a reward. He was given a reward by the governor. Third number. One should keep one's promises. Promises should be kept by anyone. Introduction of the alternative and negative, affirmative and negative sentences. I was doubtful whether it was you. It was you. I was not sure that it was you. Second, he is greater than me. I am not so greater as him. Alfred was the best king that ever reign in England. No other king as good as Alfred ever reigned in England. Now, interchange of the exclamatory and assertive sentence. Exclamatory sentence. How beautiful is night. Night is very beautiful. Ah, what a sight was there. There was a wonderful sight. There is worst sight also. Okay. अच्छे के लिए भी सरप्राइज होता है एक्सक्लेमेटरी और बहुत बुरे के लिए भी एक्सक्लेमेटरी होता है. जैसे डर जाओ, भय लगे किसी भी चीज़ का तो. What a wonderful creature an elephant is. An elephant is a very wonderful creature. Now another page, 3 number. From part of speech. The kind of joke does not amuse me. ऐसे जोक मुझे पसंद नहीं है. That kind of jokes does not give me any amusement. आनंद नहीं देता ऐसे जोक. It cost 12 rupees. The cost is 12 rupees. He fought bravely. He put up a brave fight. Simple to complex sentences. Simple. He must work hard to make up for the lost time. He must work hard and make up for the lost time. Very easier, very hard. It's remove. Okay. Then he must work very hard to win the first prize. He must work very hard or he will not win the prize. Means conjunction, no. We can say it's a form of conjunction. Barabar, is, am, are, and, but, also, neither, nor either. But here not purely say that it's a conjunction. Okay. Now compound to the simple sentences. Compound. He finished his exercise and put away his books. Having finished his exercise, he put away his books. Then he must not be late or he will be punished. Warning form given here. Then in the event of his being late, he will be punished. You must either pay bill at once or return the goods. Failing prompt payment, the goods must be returned by you. अगर नहीं बिल देना है, पैसे नहीं चुकाना है, तो उनका ऑर्डर है वो कैंसिल करो, बिल वापस उनको दे दो. कन्वर्जन ऑफ द सिंपल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स. He confessed his crime. He confessed that he was guilty. On that arrival of the mails, the steamer will leave. The steamer will leave as soon as the mails arrive. He worked hard to pass the examination. He worked hard so that he might pass the examination. Now, close. Complex to simple. He said that he was innocent. He declared his innocence. That you are drawn fastly your car Tell me where you live. Tell me your address. Simple. Adjective clause of a simple complex. The moment which is lost forever. A lost moment is lost forever. We came upon a hut where a peasant lived. बहुत बड़ा फार्मर होता है, इसको peasant बोलते हैं. We come upon a peasant's hut. Simple. Now, youth is the time when the seeds of character are sown. युग होता है, मीन्स जवान होते हैं बच्चे, तभी उनमें अच्छाई का बीज बोया जाता है और कैरेक्टर एक तैयार होता है. यूथ इज़ द टाइम फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर. एडवर्ब क्लोज. यू कैन टॉक एज मच एज यू कैन लाइक. यू कैन टॉक टू योर हार्ट्स कंटेंट. दिल से जितना बोलना है बोलते हो. यू हैव सक्सीड बेटर देन यू होप्ड. इच्छा रखने से ज़्यादा तुम सक्सेस होने की कोशिश करो. यू हैव सक्सीडेड बियॉन्ड यू होप. ही वॉज सो टायर्ड दैट ही कुड नॉट स्टैंड. Then he was too tired to stand. Now here I complete my 1 minute. Complete my chapter. Now have a nice day. Have a good day, children. Bye everyone.